Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. The weather's a little warmer, but we have rain coming. That's according to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report this morning. I enjoyed the warmer weather yesterday, but still didn't see the sun. Yeah. All right, enough Al Roker. Last night, the Culinary Expedition was in Guyana, where I prepared Guyanese Chow mein. Oh, I know I say that a lot. Oh, it was good. Most of the flavor is in the marinade. If you're going to prepare this, pay special attention to the marinade. It's very important. It's really good. Now, I did make one substitution, major substitution, and that it called for spiraled zucchini noodles. I could not locate them. Every store was out within, reason. So I just substituted and put udon noodles in. That wouldn't have really changed the flavor. This is a must try. This is good. I wish they didn't use the words chow mein, because this is a good stir fry. Yeah. All right. Enough about that. Today, the Culinary Expedition continues. Tonight, we're in Bosnia. I wasn't sure what to expect out of Bosnia, but I found this little gem, and it's one little word. Burek, or Burek. I'm actually having to do video research, not just reading research, but video research to know how to actually put this together. I'm glad I did. I would have got it totally wrong. This is going to be a fun one. So let's get to it. And we're going to start off with some ground beef. And I have some leftover mashed potatoes. So yes, this is a beef and potato burek. Of course, kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of oil, for doing the hamburger and so forth. Half of a yellow onion. This will be chopped, or actually a fine chop. Garlic, Hungarian paprika, some parsley, butter. There's an egg wash involved because there's phyllo dough. Yeah. This is a rolled dish or rolled item versus a layered. Now you understand why I'm doing the video research. Because the first two videos I watched, they actually made homemade phyllo. I'm not making homemade phyllo. No. The first video, they were actually from Bosnia. All right. Gotta love the international world of the internet. So this is going to be a fun one. We'll see how it comes out. Whew, I'm a little nervous. But hey, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.